Thanks for coming to the talk. It's the first talk after lunch, so I'll try to make it entertaining to fight your food coma. This afternoon I kind of want to talk about edge vision processing, but not in a general sense, but more in the case of, what does it take to get edge vision to run on a high performance with good flexibility to target all the range of evolution of models, but still fitting within all the constraints that we have when it comes to power, cost, form factor, all the typical constraints that the edge applications have to face. So a lot of, I think, our unique advantages come from our dynamically reconfigurable TPU. TPU is a tensor processing unit. It's one of our fundamental technology that I think give you very good efficiency, yet still very flexible for the wide range of workload. And we'll see how it compares against a lot of the GPU-based solutions to really kind of illustrate the differences of the two technologies. So a quick 1-minute blurb about who we were. We started Flex Logix about 8 years ago. We didn't start as a vision processing company. Instead, we started as a reconfigurable computing company. We, pretty much came out of my PhD land doing reconfigurable computing in the form of embedded FPGAs. Can you guys still hear me? Okay, perfect. Sorry, because I cannot hear myself. And now 8 years going, we're by far the #1 provider for giving you that embedded flexibility into your on-chip reconfigurable logic. But about 4 or 5 years ago, we were approached by a number of people saying, hey, can you give me something that's more targeted toward inference acceleration, right? Thousands and thousands and thousands of Mac units. And after doing some number crunchings, I eventually convinced myself and then my CEO and then the rest of the company that we shouldn't be just expanding our FPGA-based technology to be running machine learning workloads. I know FPGA companies do it, but you see the power and the cost and the form factor they go in is much larger than what we can offer. Why? Because we offer a very specific solution that's targeted toward machine learning workloads at the edge that is based on a lot of the FPGA-based technology, but it's also extremely different in many aspects, as you will see.